Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I'm gonna do some destash. I am kind of sorting the craft room out, and I've got quite a lot of things, and in preparation for the move, which is not happening just yet. We haven't got a house yet, but I have kind of started to do a bit of decluttering. A lot of stuff has gone to charity already, to some of the charity shop, but I got some stuff that if you guys want it, I sell it to you first, and then everything that don't get sold through my channel, it will go into my eBay shop. Okay, so let's crack on. It's probably gonna be quite a long video, so get yourself a hot drink, and it first come first served. Okay, so if you send me an email to say Antonio, I would like such and such, if you want it, you got to pay straight away. Little disclaimer, I also had bad experience with shipping cost. I have sold the Blue Butterfly journal last month, and I'm still owed the shipping cost, which they were probably about £25, which the lady that bought the journal said that she was more than happy to pay for, but she didn't. So I kind of was short of £25. So what am I going to do? Because on this stash, there is no profit. Okay, and I'm literally going to get a couple of pounds, if that, out of everything. So the shipping cost, it will be on top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you guys to pay for it up front, and then any differences, of course, I will send you. As for everything, every time I sell physical things, or I do a destash, you guys, you bought from me before, so you know that I always send approval postage from the post office. So it's a receipt that shows you when the item has been posted, what day, and how much I paid for. Very transparent, very honest. So you guys pay up front, and then any differences from what the actual price is versus what you paid, I will refund the difference. I'm not here to make money, so but also guys, please respect my time. I don't want to lose money either. So, you know, as I said, it's easy for me to put everything on eBay because I just set up for UK only, and it will be quicker, but I give you guys the chance to get some very cheap bargains first. So the first thing I want to sell, I got 10 pack of each. So I'm going to sell some A5. Okay, so this is A5. For international people that are not familiar with A sizes, an A5 measures a little bit over 6, so 6¼ by 9. Okay, so in this pack you get my idea fairy, which is a fine art I have done, and there is a certificate of authenticity, and then there is a poem on the back. This is printed on watercolor, thick watercolor cardstock, so you get this wrapped with a little fairy there, and also you get 20 of some papers that I have in my stash. Okay, these papers are mine, some of the other creators that I have done collaboration with, that I have printed, because I have a surplus of prints that I don't necessarily use. So yeah, and you know, just to get some money off to buy the next cartridge for inks, I'm just simply selling those because I won't use them. So you get 20 different papers. In fact, let me just show you really quickly. I'm trying to be as quick as possible, but you get 20 different styles of papers, okay, that you can use for your project. So I have 10 pack of those A5. So for these, let me just close it as well so I know it's all done. So I've showed you this. So this will be packed like this. Perfect. And then it will go with the fairy in the cardstock envelope, ready to be shipped to you. Okay, so I need to fold the edges there. So I have 10 of those, and I'm selling this for £5 plus shipping for each of this package. Okay, so to recap, each package contain the fairy and some papers. I also got 10 of my largest papers, which is include, I'm gonna put it this way so you guys can see it. So this is an A4. Again, for you guys that are not familiar with the A4 sizes, this is 11.5 by 8.5 roughly. Okay, so you get my mirror, which is my fine art, which I've done in 2001. This is one of my first portraits I have done at university. So I scanned it and I sell this for you guys. And then on the back there is another poem which is printed on a thicker cardstock, and then there is a certificate of authenticity. And then you get 20 of my A4 papers. Again, they are a mixture of different papers. There are some tags, there are some gift boxes. I'm trying to give a variety of everything. There are some background, some envelopes, gift boxes, as I said. There's another background. So you get a bit of everything. Okay, so I have 10 of those. After that, there will be none left. So let me close this envelope so that will be ready to go. So for this one, guys, I'm asking £9 plus shipping. Okay, so I will get my fine art printed and some papers. Now we're going to go through the stamps. Okay, so I've got quite a lot of stamps I'm selling. So these 4, there's 4 in here, there's 2 in here. How do you open this? Yeah. So there's another one there. So there's 4 in total. Can you see? They are large floral backgrounds. So it's literally one big stamp. And for this 4, I'm asking £5. So all the stamps I show you, they're going to be £5 plus shipping. So I've got this one here from Stampin' Up. It's called the Open Sea. The Thief Shopper, that's £5. Some of these are barely used, as you can see. Mediterranean Moment, this is brand new. Literally, I think I only used that. The Label Me Pretty. Oopsie. Oh no, I lost them. Sorry about that. So that's £5. This one is a die. So there is a croc core, I think you call it. And then there is this is a large die that will cut the edge as well as just the texture. So you get both. Okay, and then I just sell it with you guys into this DVD case. Okay, so don't get damaged on transit. So that's £5. Rainbow of Happiness, again barely used, I only used the inside ones. £5. Now this is a duo, so I'm selling them both. This is literally brand new, never ever used it. And this one I have used a couple of times, but as you can see, it's literally like new. So for those 2, I'm asking £8. Okay, so you get 2 stamp sets. Garden in Bloom, £5 plus shipping. Button, I love these, but I've got so many stamps with buttons, so I don't need another one. Floral Essence, £5 plus shipping. And Mixed Bunch, this is again, it's flat £5 plus shipping. Okay, so then we got another bundle. So you get this one here, this one here, this brand new, never used. They were gifted to me. Some of them I bought them on eBay. I have used this one, as you can see. This is one of my favorite stamps, but again, I got quite a lot of Christmas stamps, so it's not fair because I will probably want to enjoy it. So I'm asking £5 for those plus shipping. Be Joyful. Oh, this is the Christmas stamps actually. All the next I'm going to show you, they're all going to be Christmas. So this one you get the Merriest Wishes, the stamp set, and the matching die. Okay, so for this I'm asking £10 plus shipping, so you get the stamps and the die, so that's £10 plus shipping. Here is the best of Christmas, just 4 lovely stamp set, barely used, £5 plus shipping. Boo boo, this is the warmth hearted stamp set, £5. The sensational season, so this you get the stamps and the dies, the matching dies. So I'm asking £10 for that, so you literally can die cut that. So it's £10 plus shipping. Making Christmas Bright, £10 plus shipping. Sorry, £5 plus shipping. It's basically all £5 unless they got matching die. So this is 2. Now this is a bargain. So you get 2 stamp set. So you get that one and this one here, which the matching die, and I'm asking £12 for those. So you get 3. So you get 2 stamp sets and the matching die for £12. Ornament keepsakes. You have the Santa slate, so you get the stamp set and the dies on a magnetic sheet. I'm asking £10 plus shipping. And seasonal of whimsy, if I can speak. So you get brand new stamp set for £5 plus shipping. Okay, next lot. So we got another bundle. So you got some sentiment, some flowers, and some more sentiment with the family names in the DVD case. £5 plus shipping. This is another bundle. You get, there's another Christmas stamp here. This is from a magazine. I want to say Hunky Dory magazine. And then there are some music sheets, notes, background. Oh, I lost that. And the flowers. So that is £5 plus shipping. Heartfelt blooms, Stampin' Up, £5. Beautiful promenade. So in here, so right, this is the question I get loads more asked for. Where do you get this dies from? This is my favorite ever die. This is my #1 die. Is from this set. Okay, so this is mine, unfortunately, but I'm selling the rest. So you get the stamp set and some of the dies. So this will be £5. Okay, so the dice, kind of like a little gift from me. To a Wild Rose, that you get stamp set, £5. Honeycomb Happiness, £5 plus shipping. Happy Birthday to You, handwritten. Clockworks, this is for if you love what do you call it, steampunk. That's for you. Barely used it. I think I only used that a couple of times. Still got the labels. Abstract Impressions, this is one of my favorite ever, but again, because I got so many, so you get 2 stamp set, £5. This is the labels alphabet, quite like that. Painted Harvest, again £5. And last is You Are Inspiring, so it's like an Easter stamp set with the daffodils, £5 plus shipping. Okay, then I'm selling the Flowers Fairies journal. This is one of my favorite journal, but unfortunately there will be no space, so it's got to go. I've done a video showcasing this. It's a very interactive journal. This is from well, the what do you call it? Oh God, I can't speak. The series of Cicely Mary Barker, and it's a very interactive journal. It's in a pristine condition, guys, because I love to keep things very nice. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous journal. You can take so many ideas and see, move the camera, inspiration from it. So this retails to £17.99. It's literally nearly nearly as brand new, so I'm selling it for half of the price, so £9 plus shipping. And then I've got these from an antique market. They are original. These were collectible cards from the yeah, so they are different, and it's a shame because I got them as a bundle, but they all belong to different collections. So there are 6 cards that all have 6 different series. So as you can see from the back, they all belongs to different series, and there is a number as well. So they've got quite a lot of value on this. Some of them actually are. Look how thick this is compared to this one. It's got a gold finish. Okay, so I paid quite a lot for this, so I'm selling it for £10 plus shipping. Okay, then I got these guys. I put on the last craft Destash as a bundle, but it didn't sell, so I thought to make it cheaper I sell them as individual. So this is the Tonic Studio. These are the dice, the large dice collection. So this one here is to make like a concertina journal or card, so you get all this die. So this is I'm gonna sell at £10 each, okay, plus shipping. Now this is really thin, so hopefully it should not cost much. There is another one here with the to make the what do you call it, domes. Okay, so you get all these different dice. Now these, I believe, matches one of, I think it's this one here, yeah, which is the Amphora one. And then I'm selling that one, those two as one, because this Dolce bases and tags dice set, this is linked to that. So this can make your base and you can decorate it with that. Okay, so this is the box base and decoration. This is the side panel and decoration. So this is £10 plus shipping. This is £10. This is £10. So each set is £10. That one, they are literally barely used. This is to make a really nice. This is the Venetian amphora. Love that. And this is the lattice lily pillow box. You can make a pillow box. And this is my favorite, but it has to go because I've got so many. This is the concertina index box die set to create. You can make a concertina box or like a little ephemera holder. And I have put into this wallet on a magnetic sheet, okay, because this has been used. These ones are all brand new. Okay, so it's £10 each. Just to recap, I'm gonna show them again. So this is the base of decoration to make the card. Those two, the pillow box, the pillow bag, the Venetian amphora die set, the perfumery Perfect Romance gift box die set, the incense gift box die set, so you can put incense. These are fabulous craft fair ideas because you can sell this with the incense cones inside and the concertina. So £10 each plus shipping. Okay guys, so if you like any of those, just send me an email to antoniomakes@hotmail.com. I will put on the screen now. And first come, first served. So because by the time you're watching this video, I will probably be sleeping. When I wake up in the morning, I will go through all the emails, starting from the very first, walk away up. And then, of course, it will be first come, first served. And then if you want to reserve your item, you've got to pay for it. Okay? Because otherwise it wouldn't be fair for the rest of the guys. I do this for all my Destash. Never have any issues. I will try to be transparent and honest as possible. And also, I don't want to lose money. Okay? Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time for another fabulous video. And thank you so much. And have a fabulous day. And I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.